everyone. So my Christmas tree will be right here in this corner. I gotta remove this chair, I have to remove this vacuum, and I have to, push the couches over a little more because I have a big tree. I think my tree is about 6.5 to 7 feet tall. And it was originally in that corner the first year that I purchased it. Please excuse my place. I got kids and I went to Target and Home Goods yesterday, but yeah, so it was originally in that corner, but I have like a radiator. My radiator is really long and it was right over there in the corner, so I moved it from here, and this is like the permanent spot. So I'm about to get started.
Let's get started. Now let's make way for the Christmas tree. I'm just moving the couches, I'm moving the vacuum cleaner, I moved the chair that's right over there as well, move the curtains a little bit just to make way for the tree. And of course, I'm just vacuuming the dirt and debris on the floor. And after vacuuming, of course, I'm gonna have to mop the floor to get the rest of the dirt and debris off the floor. So I'm putting the Christmas tree stand right on the floor, and I'm gonna get a little ghetto with y'all. This is my hiding place for my Christmas tree. I literally just took it apart last year with the lights on, and I just stuffed it in my closet. And yay, the lights work, and I'm so happy. I can take these Christmas lights that I just purchased, I can take it right back to Target. So I'm happy that they work, and this is how the tree looks when it's lit. And here's a little trick that I learned. Whenever you're putting lights on the Christmas tree, always wrap it around the inner base first, and then just wrap it around the tree itself. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.